Welcome to the MOA Events App for the Michigan Optometric Association. To access the event, tap on the event name. To use the event in its full functionality, you will need to log in. Enter your first and last name. Enter your registered email address. You will be sent a verification code on the registered email address. Enter the code and tap Verify to be logged in. Feel free to set up your profile at this stage. You can add a profile picture for yourself, add your company and job title details, a brief bio. You can also choose to make your profile visible or hidden on the attendee list. Click Allow to receive any important notifications sent by the planner. From the schedule icon, you can access the complete list of sessions for the event. From the session detail page, you can rate the session, take notes, set reminders, add the session to your personal schedule, bookmark the session, take pictures to add to the gallery, and see who the speaker is for that session. When you tap on the speaker name, you will see a brief bio and a list of other sessions the speaker is presenting at. Feel free to take notes and to bookmark the speaker. Go through the complete list of speakers for the event. Tap on a speaker name to access additional details. Learn more about the event sponsors. For more details, tap on a sponsor name. Go through the complete list of exhibitors for the event. Tap on an exhibitor name for more details. Through the interactive maps, you can learn more about the venue details. You can also go through the floor map to access any mapped locations. Now that we've taken you through the important event features, we hope you enjoy exploring it more.